students of 10th standard. I had already explained you the poem, that is Night of the Scorpion. Yes, before reading the poem for you, I will tell the meaning. Now, diabolic means having the qualities of a devil or wicked. Paralyze means to stop an activity. Then diminished means to lessen or to reduce. Now I'll tell you about the poet. This poem is written by Nassim Ezekiel. Nassim Ezekiel, that is 1924 to 2004, was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic. He was a foundational figure in post-colonial Indians' literary history, specifically for Indian writings of a wider range. The poem depicts the selfless love of a mother who is stung by a scorpion. Now, I read the poem for you. Just pay attention. I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. Means what? When the author was a child, जब छोटे बच्चे थे, उनको याद है कि एक रात उनका मम्मी का पैर को एक बिच्छू ने डस लिया था. क्यों डस लिया था? कब डस लिया था? जब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आया था, लगभग 10 घंटा हो चुके थे और हो रहा था, बारिश हो रहा था, तो उस समय एक बिच्छू उनके घर में आ गया और मम्मी का पैर को डस के वो अपना राइस का पोता होता ना, अपन जहाँ राइस वगैरह रखते, पोते रखते, वहाँ पे जाके छुप गया. देन नेक्स्ट, पार्टिंग विथ हिज पॉइजन फ्लैश ऑफ डायबॉलिक टेल इन द डार्क रूम, ही रिस्क्ड द रेन अगेन. मम्मी का पैर को डसने का बाद वो क्या किया? वो अपने आप को छुपा लिया, फिर धीरे धीरे होके फिर से बारिश में वो चला गया. लेकिन जब किसी को डसता है ये बिच्छू, तब उसका टेल में जो पॉइजन रहता है, वो पॉइजन अगर शरीर में गया, ह्यूमन बीइंग के शरीर का अंदर गया, तो बहुत पेनफुल होता है. वो पेन को हम बेयर नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. Then next go, the peasant came like swarms of flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. Peasant बोले तो यहाँ पे रेफर किया गया है गांव के सब लोग, फार्मर्स, उनके अड़ोस पड़ोस, नेबर्स, सब ये न्यूज़ सुनने के बाद सब किसके घर आ गए? पोइट के घर आ गए. पोइट का मम्मी को देखने के लिए, उनका कुछ इलाज करने के लिए सब आ गए. ठीक है. With candles and with lanterns, throwing giant scorpion shadow on the mud-baked wall, they searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues. With every movement that the scorpion made, his poison moved in mother's blood, they said. ये न्यूज़ सुन के सब जन गांव से निकल आए, अपने हाथों में कैंडल पकड़ के, मोमबत्ती बोलते ना कैंडल को, कोई लालटेन पकड़ के आए और स्कॉर्पियन को ढूंढने लगे उधर उधर. कोई सोचता था कि मट्टी का अंदर छुप गया क्या, दीवार में छुप गया क्या. तो सब जन ढूंढने लगे और बहुत ढूंढने का बाद उनको वो स्कॉर्पियन नहीं मिला. ठीक है. May he sit still, they said. May the sin of your previous birth be burnt away tonight, they said. May your suffering decrease. The misfortunates of your next birth, they said. May the sum of all evil balance in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition, they said, and they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center. The peace of understanding on each face. That means, after that, all the people came into their house. Then they all made the author's mother to sit on the floor on the center, and all were surrounding and sitting with the mother. They said that you will be fine, nothing will happen to you, and whatever sin you have done, all your sins will be washed away. You have to bear some pain, the poison will go away. They were giving consolation to the mother. Okay. Then each one was saying, or they were understanding, looking to each other's face, and they were saying, or they were trying to say to each other that she will become all right. The evil thing will go away from their house. Then I will teach you the next part. Turn page number 102. Now the first meaning, that is groaning. Groaning means a mournful sound conveying pain or grief. Groaning बोले तो जब हमको कोई चीज़ का दर्द होता है, शरीर में पेन होता है, हम आवाज़ करते ना, वो उसको बोलते हैं ग्रॉनिंग. देन सेप्टिक, वन हु डाउट्स जनरल बिलीव्स. देन rationalist, a person who believes in reason and knowledge. Then opinion and beliefs. Incantation, the chanting of words that claims to have magical power. Okay.